Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Opendental Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install to select the account where you want to install the app. And you click on Continue, then click on Allow and Install. A custom menu link page is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link, head back to your account, scroll down to Settings, search for custom menu links and you click on it. Click on Create New, add an icon, you give it a title, then you paste the custom menu link, you choose a sidebar preference and you select an account. Then you give the all base visibility, which is all, and you click Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account and you look for the custom menu link. Then the first interface of the app is going to pop up. Here the app has been connected. No worries, let's walk you through on that. If the app hasn't been connected yet, click on Manage and the second interface is going to pop up where you have the necessary features such as the documentation. We have the Smart Queue video and a complete setup video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials of your app. We have here the feature, which is a setup feature. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect this app. Head to the account which we've created on the app online. Head to the API developer setup and head to authorization. You copy the authorization key, go back to your account, click on Start Setup and you paste the keys here. Then you click on the complete setup and your app will be successfully set up and connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and as well book a call with our support team. We have the change log feature, which is one of the most interesting features here. And at this level, you're going to see all the necessary updates and changes made concerning the app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, then you click on the subscribe button and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.